All right, folks, Friday morning, here we go. We're rolling. It's early, 5:30. Final trading day ahead, final day of the week. Close it out strong. Markets are in the green heading into the open. 2 days in a row, potentially, where we get the stock market up after being hammered the first 3 days. Technology shares just getting pounded. Seeing a bit of a bounce back over these past two sessions. Now, that said, dollar weak, euro up above 1.22, pound up above 1.42, dollar yen broke below 109. So all the taper talk that came out of the FOMC minutes on Wednesday that gave the dollar a bit of a boost, that's now faded. See a weakness in the dollar once again. Oil bouncing back up above $63 a barrel on WTI. Now, a lot of craziness with cryptos this week, particularly with Bitcoin. And that 30% move we saw on Wednesday rallied back, now sitting at $40,000. Not everything has to be a direct play when trading. So if Bitcoin's moving, doesn't mean you have to trade Bitcoin directly. There are indirect plays as well. Same can be said for oil. We've talked about that before. If you don't want to trade oil, you can trade some indirect plays like Canadian dollar, right? Or some of these energy-linked currencies. Same can be said for cryptos. You saw with cryptos in that major sell-off that we had on Wednesday, we started to see a lot of these technology firms that have crypto exposure sell off as well, which then put pressure on the Nasdaq. So we talk about these indirect plays every single morning on the Nadex YouTube channel. Todd Rich gets in there, talks about setups for the day, what the markets are doing and how to play them with Brian Caprice. Make sure you check that out and educate yourself. Great opportunity to learn how to trade indirectly and get involved in some of this price action. All right, folks, let's end the week strong. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. We'll see you first thing Monday morning.